On the 6th of April 2023, the Khasi Students' Union Laban Circle, under the leadership of its president Ruben Najjar and General Secretary Jason Lalu, had submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, R.M. Kurba, on the recent rally taken out by members of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad (VHP), which had disrupted social harmony in the area. The president of the KSU Laban Circle, Ruben Najjar, while briefing news reporters today, expressed deep anguish at the alleged behavior of members of the VHP who had taken out a procession and intentionally stopped in front of the Laban Presbyterian Church, with pro-Hindu slogans being loudly uttered for about 10 minutes or so. This, Najjar said, is an intention to create communal disharmony amongst various religious groups. At the same time, the KSU Laban Circle has urged upon the district administration to take appropriate steps in dealing with police personnel for their inability to maintain law and order during the event.
Kum kaseng ni buram ya borok kinyam Andre hakaju kaporu ni dawa bakiwiru kidiban buram markeliang ke jingja kaba pen bitar ya kum ya kaseng baki ko jaga bandri borok hawe bah artrik u April kini ki VHP kumbang ki Vishwa Hindu Parishad kila penlong ya karali kebastang non tena lum injury bat kilayat ru haki lenti jong kalaban haka singi sandi kabri kasing blay bat hakani ka kawe ka jing ka hapor bikiat hati halaban ni utap kila sange habar ka Laban Presbyterian Church bat hantu kilay hala digi slogan ki jongki Jai Shri Ram bat kumta terter kani ke kalong kum kadak ban provoke iki Kristan jong kani kacela bat kum kasenghi imla banjus ngapjar ki ka ba sungulingo kalong ba hatugas ngi ki danru ki pulet jong kalaban PS hindi kimshim lale ya kunu ka kimshim lale ban pelat iki tuki brio ban ong ba kinya chakmat hindi kila shulong tangki nong petkai bat ngi kondam ru ya kacing bamla jong ka Laban PS bante lakam yakini ki nong buat nyam ba bahadu pakai dapat tutru ya ka nyam jokiwe pat kum kini ki boro nginumla ban kum kaseng nginumla ban simsting ba hakani kasngi ngila yo kran disi bangyong ba dan kamru ba kinong ilam jong kani ka VHP bandi ban pinstom iki namar ba ka jingle ka jungki ka along sabapalat har ba ki pentut ya kaya kayeng kelong ru ba ban penting pensmi kani ka jingya darali kamlong ke hindi kalong tang ka jing penibor ki nongya lenti ki yosnguru ba kum kini ki bre ki badon hakani karali ki ong ba ngin pen kelaya kami kelaya syaka Hindu state bat kum jugu ba ka ke ba jah Gujarat riots ki Islam ki ba adab kinja kum ki jui kinja syashilong tu te kum kita ki ka seng ka pendramjur ya kani ka organisation Vishwa Hindu Parishad bat ka kentu iki bor penyat bakade ban le no bat hakaju ko po ka kro ka bashay she kinu kinyam ba kum kaseng ni buram mipi inde phiru phi ban buram markeliang kum gini kisngi ni lashay ka de Good Friday bat Easter Sunday ni lashu yo jingte ber bagi don katu kan ni kikin hun ki bamut banyak derali nila let ya keren UDC nakaliang jung DC ong ba kamsim don ya kunu wata wat kumjur nakaliang police department Henry lada don kum kita ki kum kasenghi ngin pendramjur balada ki bor penyat kimla bante lakam iki kasenghi kencem ya la kajong kasing jam